Welcome to Self-Growth Stories, where every story inspires you to learn, grow, and believe in yourself. At the start of 2026, nothing magically changed. The world was the same. The problems were still there. But I was different because I made a quiet decision. I decided to stop waiting. For a long time, I waited for motivation. I waited for confidence. I waited for the perfect time. But waiting never built the life I wanted. So in 2026, I started small. I woke up a little earlier, not to be perfect, but to be present. I listened to my thoughts instead of running from them. I learned that discipline is not punishment. It's self-respect. Some days I felt strong. Other days I felt tired, lost, and unsure. But I kept going, not because it was easy, but because quitting was no longer an option. I learned that growth doesn't always look like success. Sometimes growth looks like saying no without guilt, walking away without anger, resting without feeling lazy. I stopped comparing my chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 10. I realized my journey doesn't need to make sense to everyone, only to me. 2026 taught me this. You don't need a new life. You need a new mindset. You don't need approval. You need alignment. And you don't need to rush. Because slow progress is still progress. So if you're watching this and feeling behind, remember this. You are not late. You are not broken. You are becoming. And maybe 2026 is not the year everything changes, but the year you finally believe you can.